Multiple factors cause teeth to become dull and lose their bright, white sparkle. Certain foods can stain your enamel, which is the outermost layer of your teeth. Additionally, plaque buildup on your teeth can cause them to look yellow. This type of discoloration can usually be treated with regular cleaning and whitening remedies. Today in this video we will share with you how to make teeth whiter with ginger and lemon in 3 minutes at home remedies. Before starting, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. First we need ginger. Raw ginger removes plaque from your teeth, reduces any staining and has anti-inflammatory properties, helping to support a healthy mouth. Most ginger toothpastes are rich in essential minerals calcium and silica, which can potentially help to strengthen and repair brittle teeth, as well as organic coconut oil, which work together to help maintain healthy gums. Second, we need salt. Helps both whiten your teeth naturally and looks after your gums, as it is a natural antibacterial. Mix a teaspoon of salt in a cup of warm kettle boiled water, cool it down, and use it as mouthwash. Science: salt is a natural antibacterial working by attacking bacterial cell walls. Third, we need lemon. A report in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry reviewed 5 studies that looked at baking soda's ability to remove plaque from teeth. All 5 studies found that baking soda alone effectively removed plaque. However, a 2015 study found that lemon juice eats away at tooth enamel, which protects your teeth from decay. How to use: brush the teeth with this recipe. Brush only 3 times in a week. Do it 3 to 4 weeks will get result. Do not brush with this recipe every days. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe now.